National Weather Service in Duluth has issued a flash flood warning for west central Cass County until 5 p.m. Friday at 1:49 p.m. Friday, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Walker, Leech Lake and Whippold. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.